Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this beautiful hair. If that's something you'd like to see, please stick around for that. Also subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, and yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So I'm gonna be using this braid. This is Goddess Natural Kinky Texture by Angels, and it's in number 133. Yeah, it's number 133. I didn't want a color that is very black. I wanted to switch it up, and the way it looks a little bit browny at the end and kind of close to my color complexion, so I was going for that. So yeah, so this pack goes 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 18. So the pack has, this side is 18 and this side is 18. That's a total of what, 36? Is it? Yeah, 36. So yeah, I tried my best to make the braids this number, but even if they remain, it's gonna be okay. So yeah, let's get started. So you're gonna need a crochet needle, and shout out to CROTCHET for inspiring this video. Yes, girl. So so she said that you shouldn't do it like this, so you should go like under. So I think under is this side. So you put the needle in, then get the braid, put in the braid on the latch, on the hook, like that, then close the hook, then pull it, and then you put both the braid and the hair inside the loop, and then pull to secure. Like that. See? Yeah. Let me put this other hair away. So after doing that, you're gonna wrap this onto this, so you'll unravel as you wrap. So unravel, wrap, unravel, wrap, unravel, wrap, unravel, wrap, like that. Hope it's working. Unravel, wrap, unravel, wrap, unravel, wrap. I think this is where she was saying that you can ruin the hair. I think that is it. I know this is not perfect, but I'm gonna try again, because you see here, it didn't go as seamless as it should. So I'm gonna show you again what you're going to do. So you take the crochet needle, make sure it's open, put it under your hair, pass it through, then attach the hair that you want to crochet lock the crochet hook, pull it through and remove the crochet, and then expand the hook and put both the hair, the goddess locks, and your hair through the hook and pull to secure. So after it is firmly settled on your scalp, you're going to now unravel the goddess lock at the end and then wrap it around your hair slowly. Make sure you're not unraveling too much because that will ruin the hair. So do it gradually, pole pole, until you cover your whole hair. I think I've gotten a hang of it. It's not looking very perfect. At least the hair is covered, you know, that is the most important part. Yeah, that's how it's looking. I feel like this one is not as good, but this is better because I've realized that you shouldn't unravel like a big portion, so you just unravel a little bit, cover the hair, unravel, cover the hair, like so. And this is how we're looking so far. I'm almost done. I'm so tired. It's like midnight. Oh my god, I have work tomorrow. So I think I only have 2 left. I think I'm done. Oh wow, what? This is the final look. It looks so pretty. Oh my god. It looks so good, you guys. Right? Yeah, I'm really happy with how they came out. I am so proud of myself. So exhausted. It's taken me like, I don't know, more than 4 hours, I think. Because I started braiding them at around 9. And right now it's around 1. So yeah. 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, yeah, 4 hours. But also I was just taking my time anyway, so these are the braids that I've been left with. So I did use 2 packs and I've been left with like 6 of them. Yeah, so in case one gets damaged, I can always replace with this. Yeah, my voice is cracking, I should be asleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Like this video, share it with your friends, and yeah, until next time, choose kindness. Bye guys.